Today we will solve some questions on significant figure. You remember the rules that we explained in the last lesson, that any non-zero number is a significant, and any zero number to the right of a decimal is significant, and any zeros between two significant numbers are significant. And the trailing zero is not significant. يعني إيه trailing zero? The zero which is to the left side, or zeros that are not coming after the decimal. They are not significant. Now we need to solve some problems. 1. What is the number of significant figure in this number? All these numbers are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So here we do have 6 significant figures. 2, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. All the numbers on the right are non-significant because there is no decimal point here. So we just have 2 significant points. 3, 90027. Here, all those numbers are significant. All zeros coming off decimals after decimal points are significant, and all zeros between non-zero numbers are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 4, 0.005356. These are trailing zeros. The zeros which are before and after a decimal point, but before a non-zero number, are non-significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimal points. 5 significant figures. Number 5. 670. This zero is non-significant. No decimal place. So only 2 significant figures. 6. 0.00730. All those zeros are non-significant because there are no non-zero number here. So 7312. Again, here there is no decimal between the non-zero number and the zero, so also this is not significant. So 2 significant figures. Number 7. 8.002. All those numbers are significant because we have zeros between non-zero numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 8. 823.012. Also, all the numbers here are significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 9. 0.00578. 1, 2, 3, 3 significant figures. We ignore those and we counted the non-zero numbers. 2.60. 1, 2, 3, 3 significant figures. 11. 542.000. All those zeros are non-significant, so they are here 3 significant figures. The last one, 263.5008.0. All those are significant, okay, except that zero. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 significant figure. I hope now you practice some of questions on significant figures and you can perform even better if you practice much more. Thank you.